Welcome, my name is Mr. Marble, and on this plot of land, you will build your marble tycoon. Okay! Follow the arrows pointing towards the next green button. You can turn this off by clicking on the... I see your bottom funnel. This will transfer the motion dropper to the marble collector. To collect your cash, head back to the cash collector to claim it. Okay? I guess.
Okay, boss.
He's not even our boss. We are the boss of our own tycoon. Each marble line will be crazy, and you will earn more cash. Now you can build more droppers and decorations to build your dream marble tycoon. Okay, yes, sir. We can't go listen to the boss, Hauser. Oh my god, look how the red one looks, bro. Look how this red one looks.
What red one?
We need to get that red one.
I got it.
What? So fast?
Look, tons of cash.
Funnel 2. Oh, no. Yeah, actually, that's kind of crazy. Yeah. Funnel 2. Funnel 2. Funnel 2. Also, it's Buxy the boy!
I see the boy table boss. God, look at this yellow dropper.
Buxy the boy!
What's the time of that time?
The yellow dropper looked crazy. But I feel like this pink dropper would be even more crazy. We need more onions though. Should I buy the pink dropper or should I buy... Hi, Hauser neighbor! Pink dropper. Yeah, we put the pink chupa chupa. At least nobody house. Expand my tycoon? Okay, I'll expand it. Boop. Why would I want to spend $200 on a carpet? For no extend. Yes, sir, I will make it extend. Oh man, I'm broke. Yes, sir, I'm coming. For no extend. Oh man, I'm broke.
I'm just gonna buy boxes for fun, so it looks good.
Time for orange dropper. Boom.
Why?
Oh my gosh, Hauser, look at this purple one. Hauser, I have become one of them. The marbles. Boom. Just kidding, I'm not a marble. I am not a marble. See?
Wait, how do you make your tycoon red? Mine's blue.
Oh, then mine's originally red. Oh no, you're so lucky you got blue! You comment down below if you like red better or blue better. I prefer blue.
Also blue.
Yeah, basically blue is good. It's the best color. The sky is blue.
Best color in the world. The sky looks good. Oh my god!
Yeah, I just did that.
You just got that?
Oh my god.
I'll
buy some carpets.
That's
Boom!
So satisfying.
Since I'm rich, I'm just gonna buy windows too.
I'm just gonna buy windows.
More boxes and a jump coil? Should we buy a jump coil, Hauser?
Wait, what?
You're giving me the option to get a jump coil or the door.
What jump coil? Right here.
Oh,
wait, you got a carpet?
yeah, but my carpet.
Why? So it looks fancy?
Yeah.
I guess I'll do that. Red carpet. Wow.
Yeah, I'm rich!
I think I'll buy the jump coil.
Okay, I bought it.
How do you get
I
red?
believe I can fly. fly.
Can you come to my base? Can you just come to my base?
But I believe I can fly.
Please. Can you just fly to my base? We're making a video. $9.35.
Okay. I can buy the candy floor. Boom.
Then can we just cancel the show? Please. Please. Yeah, please.
Overhang. What's that?
And please only for this.
Window decoration. Oh, how's that? I bought the next one.
What about the next floor?
I was supposed to buy other stuff down here, right? I think I'm dead broke. I can't even buy plants. Fine, I'll just buy overhang. Look at this. You should buy this. Look how cool it looks.
How?
It makes your base look more fancier.
Nothing
Also,
else.
I'm gonna go AFK because I need to go pee.
I am so. Money.
I'm back!
I got $700.
And I got 1,000 almost.
Boom, yeah.
Yeah, I got 1,000! By a door! And, a basement!
I need a basement.
I don't know. Stairs. Plants. I bought everything I did. How's that? Did I turn it up?
I don't have the mom.
The basement. Did you go in the basement?
Yeah. No, I
I'm
got
coming,
mom.
I'm coming in the basement too. I'm coming.
Then I got mom.
Did I drop her? That's
I
good.
already bought it all.
Boom! Cyan dropper. Did you buy a cyan dropper?
No.
I buy a donut dropper.
Donut?
Yeah, but it's for 2K.
Wait, what? They're in the basement?
I'm in the basement. I also bought this cyan dropper. It actually looks not that bad down here. But how's let's go up first, because down here the
I'm
stuff.
gonna go AFK.
Bro, no. You have to actually just go see your stuff that you can buy. Okay, I'll just start first. What am I supposed to buy here? Candy dropper? I'm gonna buy a candy dropper.
Huh?
Second floor, you need to buy a candy dropper.
Why?
This.
Coco, I stayed too long until I died.
Yeah, you consider too long.
Then I died.
Yeah, you run out of oxygen, I think. The fact that it takes so long just to make this.
Candy dropper.
Boom, bought the candy dropper. Outside floor. Sure, how about outside floor?
I don't even have enough.
Whee! Outside
But
floor.
we don't even need the stairs. We can use our gravity coil.
Cookie. I'm building a cookie house.
What?
Cookie wall.
What do you mean?
Look, cookie walls.
I don't. What do you mean?
I have cookie walls.
What do you mean? I don't understand you.
My second wall is the house on the second floor is actually a cookie house. No, literally, look.
Wait.
Cupcake dropper. Bro, we could buy a cupcake dropper.
Where?
I need my monies. I gotta buy this cupcake dropper.
How much does it cost?
750.
I got enough.
Next is the sugar dropper. I like sugar. This is cupcake dropper. Bro, who wants a cupcake flavored marble? That's kind of weird. Nope, you're not. You're just gonna go AFK so you can go to get some more monies. Am I right?
No.
I'm right.
No, you're not.
Okay.
Yes. Sugar dropper.
Sugar dropper.
Why are you copying me?
Because I don't know. I was saving. How's that? That thing is long. Nope. Next I'll buy this wall decoration.
Windows.
Wall decoration.
Windows.
Boom. Wall decoration. Don't look that bad. Extend the floor. Yes, I will extend the floor.
Like this, I'll extend it.
Boom! Oh, it's chocolate brick.
Why is it all over there?
I
Why do
was
we need a chocolate brick?
because this is a candy floor. Boom, bought it.
Do we need a brick?
Gummy bear dropper. I need this. I need this house. Gummy bears.
You just go AFK for a while. Then we can go. Then we can buy.
Oh! I'm still
Oh my god, my axe!
I need 1,750. Is that enough? Is that 1,000? 1,750. I have 200, so basically I need about.
No, I don't know.
I need about 500. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, thank you. Bye. Gonna go buy my gummy bears. Boom.
How? How much does that cost?
1,750.
Oh.
It's kind of long.
Gummy bear.
There's this chocolate. Actually, I don't really like chocolate.
I don't really like chocolate also.
So let's go to the basement. I think we have enough to buy
No, don't go.
to buy the donut wrapper.
No. I hate my life.
But how did the gummy bear cost the exact same? It costs the exact same. Do you know that? So you should. How's it stop? You know it's my hammer, right? Chocolate dropper.
I was gonna buy a donut dropper.
No, I bought a chocolate.
How
How
much?
did it? The chocolate gives you 100.
How much the donut dropper cost?
I don't know. How's that? I do know the chocolate dropper is kind of goated. It gives you.
I think the
100.
donut is way more better because it's more expensive.
How expensive is it more better?
I bought it. Oh my gosh, it looks swerving.
How much is it? Oh, it's the same.
Oh my god. These donuts. Oh my gosh, I'm so
Okay,
addicted.
I got enough.
What?
Donut dropper. That's a giant, bro. It's literally a whole entire. How's it? It costs the same as the chocolate. The chocolate is cheaper, I think. How much is the chocolate? Oh my god, the chocolate is cheaper and it gives you more money.
No.
The chocolate gives you 100 and that also gives you 100. Means they're both the same.
Doesn't mean chocolate is better because chocolate is way more grosser.
Yeah, chocolate. I actually don't really like chocolate. Boxes.
Like if you like chocolate,
And
or subscribe
friends.
if you don't like chocolate. Please subscribe.
Speed coil or castle floor. Bye bye. Bye bye. I'm about the speed coil.
I want to speak cool.
Yeah, the speed coil is better. We can zoom.
We can zoom everywhere instead of jumping everywhere.
Oh my god, it's a candy!
How come I don't have my jumping coil? Oh, yeah, because I died just now.
Yeah, you died, bro. You died. You
I died.
Oh my
by
god!
Oxygen. Huh?
This thing just gave me 3K.
How? Liar.
I wasn't lying.
No!
Some lights. Oh my god, the candy floor is complete.
Speed coil.
Boom, 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 boom. All the way up to buy let's buy towers, like castle pillars, a fence,
And
castle walls. Funnel.
Although
I know how's that? This is how you straight away go to the bottom. First, jump down the whole entire building.
no, you jump with the speed coil.
See?
You want to see the outside. You want to see the outside.
Doesn't look that bad.
My
How's it look?
so
I can just jump all the way to the top. Look.
Come and look at my base right now.
Okay, I see it.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, I
come.
see it.
No, it's so.
How's that? I can just jump all the way up.
Wow. So official.
Okay, about funnel. Funny. Go so where you are.
So you just go outside and guys, just don't use the boring stairs. Use your walls and lick it.
Go still where you are. How's it? Guess what?
Oh my god.
I bought a crown
this
dropper.
one looks crazy.
How's it? I feel like
This is crazy.
how's it? I think this looks more crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Copper is 5K.
Guys, so you just do. So guys, this is how you get. If you see pillars, then you just jump on them like parkour.
But I do it like
Get
this.
out your house, and then you go get your money and jump all the way back up.
But I do this. Royo Japa. Oh, next is the. Where's my crown? This my bling. Oh, it's Jama when I ring.
Do the sweet, do the.
This is it. Don't sing that. Ah!
To the king, with my crown, with my bling, and the water with my ring.
My ears.
It's a good song.
Yeah, sure.
Slappy, 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 slap.
How's it? Wait, we haven't
Slappy,
gone.
slappy,
We haven't gone to
slappy,
the basement, bro.
It's probably crying in there. Because it doesn't have enough donuts.
How's it? Yeah, how's it? I do not want to go in there.
Why?
There was a dropper that cost 15,000.
You mean 50,000 liar.
Don't go in there.
Dun, 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 dun.
I just said don't go in there.
Quack, 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 quack.
Bro, I'm still broken up.
You're still broke?
I
You're gonna
only have 6K.
die by oxygen again.
Bro, how?
I'm gonna run. Hey, go, let's have a race. You do the jump. I do the jump coil and you do the speed coil. Let's see who wins. We are going to race until the middle.
Done.
Come. Come.
Fine. I'm coming. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, no. 3, 2, 1.
I win. Yeah, guys, that's why speed coil and running is better, but jump coil is it's literally in the get name, bro.
Speed coil is literally in the name, bro.
Also, this looks kind of funky. Look at this.
Sprunky.
No.
Sprunky. Hey, go, guess what? I almost can buy the dragon.
Wait, I just gotta wait like a few more seconds, then I can get a lot of monies.
Okay, I can buy the dragon.
How much? How's it go check? You are the thing to go find. I found out how much money it gives you. It gives you a little bit money, then you just got scammed.
What is the dragons?
Oh my god. How's it? Do you not see how much money that thing gave you?
What?
Guys, if you don't know how much the dropper that Hauser bot gave him, he got about like 250. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's kind of cray.
I can buy onions already. I can get money.
Wait,
what?
Hauser.
Money.
But Hauser, this is the most stupidest thing I ever seen.
Stupid.
That's not supposed
That's
to.
not money. That's poop.
I'm just gonna use my way to go up again.
Why do we need a royal treasure?
Buy a night trapper and buy some boxes. I buy a damage. What's this? Oh my god! How's it? It's a lead to nowhere.
Like, go for it. Okay, I wonder what's the big prize.
Ain't no way we're gonna make this video a whole 2 hours, bro. There is no way this video can take 2 hours.
We need to do until 2 hours.
Bro. Nah, jit tripping.
We need 2 hours.
Nah, jit tripping.
2 hours.
No.
I hate you.
Banned. No 2 hours.
Why is 2 hours?
I don't wanna find out. What's next? Clap.
Look, we better finish this dinosaur.
What?
Stick a little bit in bits. Mr. One's gone.
No, Mr. One comes in like 40 minutes. 40. Oh my god, I'm rich.
What do you mean you're rich?
Rich.
You're not rich.
I'm a
You're
rich
a
guy.
bitch.
Just call me a bitch.
Yeah.
Then
I thought you were gonna say bad.
you're good at describing yourself. Dang. What the hell now? I ain't buying no.
Where's the knife? Clean up the
Final
knife.
extension!
Extension.
Leviosa! Oh!
Furiosa.
You said Gorigosa?
Yeah, Gorigosta. I said Gorigosta.
Goribrosas?
No, I said Gorigosta.
How's the? If Missy one
Gorigosta.
comes, that's your problem, because you're first. Cloud dropper! How did I use cray cray? Huh? Look how long this is. Like it's the same exact as the. Oh my god. Decoration. Time to jump down and get my monies. Oh wait, hold on, I can just do this. Look. Wee. Wee. It's right here. It's right here.
Hello.
Trot in the staircase? No, I'm gonna be broke. I'm gonna go to the toilet real quick.
Ayaska. What the? I'm back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Throne. Staircase. What? It's a fence. Yan decoration. Funnel. Mega funnel. Big dropper. What's a big dropper? Robot dropper? Hustle on the fourth floor, they give you money, collect that. Robot dropper. Oh my god, how's it? Let's go into your makeup. What's a jump dropper? $300. What? 300. Look. How? This one gives me 400. This? Oh, you might want to collect your reward. See what I mean? Oh my god! That thing is crazy. Look at this. Look how it jumps. Look. Boom! Pow, pow.
Then go down.
Wait, what do you buy? This black thing?
No, this one. This
What?
black and white.
Which one? What black and white? This?
Yeah, this.
The jump?
This 35,000. Neon boxes. Why neon boxes? So is this inflation? Meh. Neon suck.
Yeah.
Wait, funnel dropper? Wait, so you're telling me I would drop this?
I know jump.
This thing? Oh.
What's that?
That's my mega dropper to go down.
Wait, that's your invisible dropper?
No, this is my funnel that makes them all go down.
Where?
Right now,
I got a blue funnel.
they're kind of just falling down right now. They can't even go down. Hello, go down. Meh, not my problem. They fall, they don't fall, I don't care.
And you don't get mommy.
It's okay if I don't get money.
Give me my money.
I just want to complete this video, bro.
It's been 31 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's actually jumping.
I told you, it's like, whee! It's like, how's it like this? How's it look at my screen? I'll show you how it does it in, like, imagine you with a marble. You're like this. Boing! And then, like, whee! 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 And we fall. How's it actually falling? Look! Bye-bye, ball! How's it? Look! Right here! They're falling down! Look at my screen! Right there!
Wait, let's go down. Let's go down and see.
But all we can need here is right here.
Then
Funnel dropper. What is this?
until
Neon
the-
sign.
Until the king, then until
Marble. Oh my god!
What? It goes all the way down
Look at
here.
this.
Yeah. But look.
I think I know what they mean by funnel dropper.
What funnel? Why are you never wait?
They cost 50,000.
You're not waiting.
But look at this. It's actually a funnel. It's making them go roly poly. I think these guys are trained to go spin.
I'm gonna go AFK.
These guys are trained to spin.
I'm gonna go AFK.
They're trained to be spinning, Hauser. Who's gonna win? I feel like this guy's gonna win. He's the first guy to go down here. Are you pushing him? Okay. Wait, let me go AFK.
Daddy, there's nothing that I like to eat.
No, there's bread, mother.
I don't like bread.
No, the one that you bring to school.
No.
I'm back. Okay, let's see the marbles fall down. Oh my god, look at all these marbles. It's so chaotic. Can I even go down? Wait, I know how to get it. I know how to see. Oh! They're actually coming.
Who will win?
No, I can do this. How to go back up. First, take out your jump coil. Then, jump.
What? No.
That's a lot of money. I can buy a neon dropper. Oh my god, how's it? It goes outside. It goes outside of the building.
Look at the neon carpet.
Oh my god, that actually looks cool. How's it? Look at this. It goes outside.
Wait, what do you buy?
The neon dropper, I think.
What neon dropper? That?
Yeah, the 65,000.
65. What the?
Bro, look at it. It's outside of the. It's outside of my building, bro. It's coming out, bro. It's right here.
Well, this is how you play. You see it's just one, right?
How's it loop-de-loop? Look, loop-de-loop. They go loop-de-loop and they go. Wait.
I'm gonna go after guys.
back. After a million years, I'm rich. Wait, Hauser, we forgot about Mason.
Come in.
Yeah, I already completed this floor. Yeah, I'm already complete. So why are you touching?
Pizza.
Did you?
Pizza.
Did you sell stuff or like? Did you collect my monies? How much did all of this cost?
Huh?
How much did all of this cost?
The spaceship was seven.
What spaceship?
It cost 75000. I'm helping you. It cost this much.
I had that much money, and you spent it all.
Chill
No,
out.
I'm gonna go to your tycoon and beat up you.
I'm gonna beat up you. Fine, let's have a race. I want a rematch.
You're gonna be slower.
I want to be a rematch, and this time you use the jump coil.
Okay. I win.
No.
How's you wanna treat her?
No.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, I knew it. Ha! I win. I did the Uno reverse.
No. Present.
Oh. Nah. They gave her the almost 300k. At
I
least,
like to kick your ass.
at least it's more than Hauser.
Kick your ass.
At least it's more than Hauser wasted my money on. Hauser, shut the
Kick
hell
your
up.
ass.
Shut
Kick your ass up.
Shut the skibbity up.
Shut the skibbity up.
No cursing, okay?
No cursing, okay?
Jokes on you, I said my
Jokes on you, I said my gas.
Haha, you said your gat is big.
Haha, you said your gas is big.
Hauser, it gives me 1k.
How dare you?
No, literally. It gives me
What
1k.
floor are you at?
Pirate. Look, 1K.
Wait, there's a pirate?
Yeah, once you hit that, put that shit
Name
in.
is ability.
The word, my body goes well.
Ooh!
The
I look like you. Oh yeah.
What the skippity was that? I'll kill you even more.
What the saying, but the C in the name of the shit and a little T.
The words, my body goes well. Soon may the willing come to bring us sugar and tea and mom. One day when the tiger is tongue will take her even more. See what even missed them start.
And you look like my yeah. Oh yeah.
I just realized on the first floor I didn't buy lights.
How do I get this away?
You can't.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you could.
Don't try to trick me.
Hazard, I'm gonna buy this thing. I'm gonna buy the laser dropper.
Why?
Oh, Hazard, I know. This is the first land. Then here is the cookie land, like the candy land. And then here is the... Oh, here is the night
The
land.
Nightland.
The kingdom. And then now it's the futuristic.
What's futuristic?
This thing that I just bought.
Thing.
Oh, how's it? It's kind of a laser. The dungeon is a laser. It's kind of...
Oh yeah, the basement. I forgot.
How to forget?
Fish
dropper! Oh my god, no. I'm escaping this
Fish
place.
dropper? What's a fish dropper? Let me see.
It costs for 250k.
It's not that expensive.
After you buy this. That is worth it, huh?
Don't spend my money!
So it's 700k. I dare you.
This is my kingdom. You tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to
Then
do.
why you spend my money on this thing?
Don't tell me what to do.
Then why you spend my money on a freaking spaceship that is back?
Don't tell me what to do. That's the last thing. And I saw when you were playing, you wanted to buy the spaceship.
I didn't.
You wanted
I
to.
was looking forward to buy my dropper. But now I'm going to jump over to your house and kill.
You can't even kill me in this game.
If I get a sword, I will.
There's no sword. There's no such sword in this game.
Ah, you think I cannot go to your house, huh?
Yeah, I got laser doors.
You think, huh? You think I can go to your house, huh? You think, huh? You think?
But you cannot. But you cannot kill me.
Yeah, that's the only problem. That's the only problem. No, your droppers are not even working.
Mean.
Your droppers are broken.
Mean.
There's nothing.
Liar.
There is nothing.
That's yours.
Mine is red.
Yeah, that's good.
You just roasted your own.
Oh no!
Yeah, that was kind of long. I already bought it though. Then that's how. Okay, time to go collect my monies. And now time to go buy the 1000k.
What the ding K?
Okay, buy the 1000k.
Coco, it almost has been
How? 1,002. Skibbity, hop to a hop.
yes! Look at that, yeah. Coco, I'm riding the spaceship.
I'm on a ship. How's it the pirate one? There once was a ship that put to sea.
The name of the butt and the ability.
The word for the butt.
And my yacht is super big.
What?
Shoot me! Oh, yeah, it's big. You look like the slappy pig.
What the hell was even that rhyme that didn't even rhyme?
You look like Ronald McDonald. You look like the stupid clown.
That was in the next minute.
Then who's people like that?
The shoe is Coco.
Okay.
I never even take the shoe. I never take. I take my t-shirt and then I throw in the dustbin.
Then maybe it's a ghost one.
Oh yeah, it's a ghost. I don't know.
Musa.
What, Paxton?
I slap you ah. You stole my arrow. You better go call Papa now.
Good job, Paula.
Which things here?
Ow.
God, I think we'll never finish this.
Don't tell me you're gonna sing something.
Don't tell me to.
I feel like you're gonna sing some stupid song.
Your yeah is super big and you
Cute.
are super dumb.
Good thing it's not some other song like
You
the
look like the Sigma boys. The Sigma.
He's new. You gotta
Is there another step?
You gotta turn
Coco,
my
if there's
heart
enough
so
light, I'm gonna leave.
Oh, there is. See, right here. You're all I'll ever want and need. So don't leave. Stay.
Nah, I'm leaving.
Girl, let me tell you.
Nah,
what
I'm
I did.
leaving.
I was a king and you.
Okay,
were
that's
a
all day.
queen.
Bye.
I gave you everything you need. So don't leave.
We played this game
Just
until I have
stay.
20%.
Wait, I said already the tissue. Please.
So far from me, let's disappear. Let's take the first flight out of here. Just need you near. You're losing is my big fear. It's super clear. You take
Okay,
me
that's all
out
today.
of the
Bye.
atmosphere. I can never change what I feel, what I feel. And my heart is super real, super real. Super real. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Bye.